Hello everyone, how to tuts. I'm back with another new video, and in this video I'll guide you how to make money using Whop application. So you can download this app from Google Play Store and App Store. Then simply tap on the open button. So you can see I just already created my account. So it's really simple. You can create your account with Google, Facebook, Apple ID. So after using this, then you'll get this option. So simply tap here the discover option after creating your account. Then scroll down, then you'll see the option here, content rewards. So basically this website, there are a lot of company, individual, they offer you that if you create videos according their requirement, then you will get rewards. It's only for creating videos, like you can upload these videos in Instagram, X, YouTube and TikTok. So if you get more views, then you will get more money. So you can see like Golden Nutritions, they will give you 1.5 US dollar for 1000 views on Instagram platform. So you can see here like low scatter organic, like they have a budget 19,000 US dollar, and they will give you per 1000 views $1, and you can upload this image Instagram, TikTok, X and YouTube platform. Then you can get here, you'll get a two option here, like two type of videos you can create. UGC, it means uses generated, it means it's only owner of you. And you can see here clipping, it means that they give you the videos, like that those companies give you the videos and you will get the clipping from their videos, and you can upload according to your in your account. And they have requirements. If you, for example, I'm just going to click this one, breast clips. So first of all you have to, okay, I just joined this company, so I'm just going to tap the new one, maybe this one. And if you want to get more, then simply tap on the show all, and you'll get here all the company that offer you to money. So I'm just going to tap the clipping, this one maybe, okay, this one. So you can see, you can read here, clip Connor McGregor and earn 400 for 1 million views. So simply tap on the join. Once you tap on the join, then okay, I'm just showing, okay, maybe later free access, so it's later, okay. So now tap here, take me to the store page. So open home. So you can get here like their overview, their clippers, okay. These people are chatting, they already joined this company. I can go announcement, you can read this, and the main thing is content rewards, you can read it. And the thing is join clip it. So you have to join clip it, they have only another. Then you will get all the requirement here. Simply tap here, then join the best clipping offers, like it's a subscription base, like you can okay, I'm just going to show you the process. Wait a second to get this app, so maybe this later. And you will see here the course, okay, you can see free kilobit course, this course. Then you can learn all the things here, like how you can create, how you can upload, and what is the requirement. You can check all the things, and you can see payout. So here can see the course, like you can watch their videos, So this way actually you can earn money. You can create like discovery, you can get all the company that they offer you to earn money using their content, using their clip, and upload it in your own social account. So you can check all the company. Some company give you the higher CPM, some company give you the average. So it's, you don't need monetization, you don't need followers, you don't need subscriber, you don't need anything, you just need views. Like if you have more views, then you will earn money through this app.